Guys, Piazza del Flaminio, Piazza del Popolo, Square of the People. Let's take a look more closer so that you can enjoy also the beauty of this place. As you see, and then let's take a look all around. See that? And there, this one is amazing. It's only against the light, but it's made all of marble. And the Twins Church here, Via del Corso. The middle is Via del Corso. So, buona visione. God bless us all.